So here we can do some pending exercises from the workbook. That is, everybody take your workbook. Shall I share the screen?
Yes,
Fine.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So, but when I share the screen and when we are doing the
Yes, ma'am.
guys, nobody should unmute without my permission. Otherwise, I have to come back. Okay. So mute it.
Okay, ma'am.
Let me see, some disturbing sounds are there. Sarah, Arpita, Rudra. Okay, mute it fast. Yes. Can you see it? Can you see the board?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Can
Yes,
you see
ma'am.
it? Yes, yes.
Yes.
See,
Yes, ma'am.
can you tell me the page number of it?
17.
Okay, so
17.
everybody take the page number 17.
17.
Here we can do the match the following. Okay, match the following. Sarah, please mute it. So here
Okay, ma'am.
we can see, uh, okay, here we can do the match the following. So here some names of some diseases are given: cholera, measles, malaria, night blindness. Can you see it? The same thing is there on your workbook also. And in the next part, we can see the mode of transmission. Mode of transmission here. Okay. So Mayuk, unmute your audio fast.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So here you can see the first one. It is cholera. How this matching with the second part?
Waterborne.
Okay, very good. So, waterborne disease. It is waterborne disease. Okay. So, if it is not done, do it now itself. Mayuk, please mute your audio. Nainika. Next one, Nainika. Next one, ninth question. Can you read that word? Nainika. Can you read that ninth question? The word.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, read it. What is that word? Ninth one, measles, right? Is it measles?
Yes.
Okay. So
Yes,
measles is matching with which word here? Measles are spread through which type of disease? Air. Okay. Measles are spread through airborne diseases. Okay. Measles are airborne disease. Okay. Next one. Sarah, read the 10th question. 10th word. Read the 10th word fast.
Ma'am,
Yes, Sarah, my dear. Read the 10th
malaria.
word. Okay,
Malaria.
Which is the mode of spreading malaria?
Diseases spread by insects.
Okay, very good. So, match it fast.
Can I read?
Okay, Sarah, please mute it. Then let me call this one. Rayan Bijoy. Rayan. Which is the 11th word? Which is the
Night
11th?
blindness.
Okay, how this night blindness is called? How it is called? Night blindness. Next one.
Diseases caused
Ah,
due to lack of vitamin A.
A. Okay, so here we had matched everything. Mute your audio, everybody. Everybody mute it. So I hope everyone has done it. Everybody had done this one. Shall I move to second question? Yes. In between, you are not obeying me. In between, some are unmuting it. I think you. Now, you're okay, Felix. Okay, but mute your audio and sit. Okay. So, in between, those are joining. Please mute and sit because we are doing some exercises here. When the teacher is sharing some screen, it is difficult for her to come back. Okay, so please adjust with me. Adidev, don't put hands in your
Ma'am,
mouth.
there is someone in our class called Anthony Heron.
Anthony Haron, switch on your video. Maria Bino, Siddhi, and Anthony Haron. Are you of this class? Are
No,
you?
ma'am.
Which
But my brother's class.
He's in 4B. I see him every day in this class.
Okay, so you are joining this class with 4A. Maybe.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
His
okay.
mother also near with him.
Who is talking this one?
My brother's class is same time.
Okay, okay, no problem, no problem. Okay, you can join. So it is allowed. If you, they were not available, that also can be done. Okay, so shall I start?
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, shall I continue with this one? Okay, so here we are doing the workbook exercises. See 8th, 9th, 10th and 11th questions. Match the following. I hope all had done it. Shall I move to the next question? Next one, here we have 14th question. 12th and 13th I had sent it already. So 14th question, distinguish between two types of diseases. Here we have to distinguish between two types of diseases. What do you mean by distinguish between? Distinguish, what is the name of the meaning of that word distinguish? Distinguish means this one, difference. Find the difference between these two types of diseases. So what is the meaning of distinguish? Different. So if you don't know the meaning, you can write it over the top of distinguish. What you will write? Difference. Okay. So here we have to find out the difference between two types of these diseases. That is diseases that spread and diseases that do not
Ma'am,
spread.
due to the
Ma'am, your
network
voice is very low, ma'am.
Okay, I will try my level best to do it. Okay, so
Ma'am,
please wait.
due to the network issue, I join now.
Okay, no problem, no problem. So can I
Ma'am, I
ask you,
also due to
Janvi?
network
No
issue.
problem. If you are late, then don't say that one. You can. We are admitting you, right? No problem. Don't waste time. Okay. Janvi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Janvi, can you tell me what are the difference between diseases that spread and diseases that do not spread? One difference between these two.
Diseases that spread are caused by germs.
Very good, very good. So all of you write it. And what can you say about diseases that do not spread? Is it through the
Diseases.
germs? Is it through the
No.
germs?
No.
Okay, so we can write first difference between these two types of diseases. Diseases that spread caused by germs and diseases that do not spread are not caused by germs. Can we write it? Okay, start writing. Start writing. Can you understand my handwriting?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, right.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Mute your audio and write, okay? So second, under diseases that do not spread, these are not spread, not spread. 1 minute. See, yes, somebody is calling me.
Disease that spread is caused by germs.
These are not caused by germs. See,
Ma'am, I finished.
Okay.
Am I finished?
Everybody, no need to comment on that. I hope everybody had writing. Unnimaya, are you writing? Are you writing, Unnimaya? See, don't waste time. Fast. So
Yes,
first,
ma'am, I'm writing.
okay, first difference between these two types of diseases are these diseases that spread, they are caused by germs, right? They are caused by germs. Can you see it here? Germs, I am highlighting it. Caused by germs, and here not caused by germs. So you can underline the points. You can underline the points which I am highlighting. Can you see the highlighted words?
Ma'am.
Yes. Do it.
Yes,
Underline
ma'am.
the points. Underline the. So when you are reminding these underline points, you can write your own sentence. No need to by heart these whole things. Okay. Science.
Ma'am, can we underline the highlighted words with crayons?
No, now only by pencil. Now you can underline by pencil. No need to take any crayons. Okay. So second point. So can you, I will call some student, Isha Fatima. Can you give me second difference between these two types of diseases? One it is caused by germs, another not caused by germs. Second difference. Isha.
Ma'am, I don't know.
Okay. Adidev Anilkumar. Can you tell me the difference between these two diseases? One more difference is there. From the word itself you can see. From the word itself. Who is ready to say that? Who is ready?
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
Yes, surely. Niranjan, are you ready? Niranjan?
Ma'am.
Yes, tell me, what is the difference you are finding between these two type of diseases?
Diseases that spread will not spread.
Okay, very good, very important point. Okay, some diseases do not spread, and other disease that may
Spread.
that can spread from one person to another. Okay, so we can write these diseases. You have to write under the topic diseases that spread. These diseases spread from one person to another. Okay. So what we can write it here in the second as the second point, diseases that do not spread. What we can write? These diseases do not spread. These diseases.
One person.
These diseases do not spread from one person to another. Okay, and here we can give examples also. Okay, examples also. So after giving the examples, we can say that we have differentiated, we have find differences between these two types of disease. So Glenn, unmute it, Glenn. Can you give me example for diseases that spread? Common silly examples you give. Okay, so you can remember it fast. Names of diseases that spread. Diseases that spread.
The diseases that spread.
Yeah, very good. Yeah.
COVID-19.
COVID-19. Okay. And one more thing. One more.
Malaria.
Malaria.
Ma'am.
So one easy one also we can write. Common cold.
Ma'am.
Yes.
I have examples for diseases that do not spread.
Okay, say it. Who it is? First tell me the name.
Srihari.
Yes, very good, Srihari. Give me some example for diseases that do not spread. Yes.
Heart
Heart failure, okay, heart failure, kidney failure, kidney stones, these all are there. Then some pictures I have shown you, right? Pictures. So can we write
Ma'am,
this one?
swelling.
Scurvy.
Scurvy, okay. So scurvy,
Allergies. Night blindness. Allergies.
allergies, night blindness. Another one, easy one I will tell. Berry, very easy, right? Berry. Okay, so when I know you know all these names, but when we are writing for the exams, you can select some easy names. Okay, so that you can remember it. So here I am going to say the important point. Here in the second point, diseases spread from one person to another. That is the very important point. You can underline the spread. Spread from. And here do not spread. Do not spread. Okay. From one person to another, you can your own you can write. So what is the difference here? What is the difference between these two types of diseases? Siddhi,
Ma'am,
yes, can you tell me the difference between,
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes, somebody
Can
told,
we write the examples in our own?
see what all you are writing, that should be correct, as we are not checking that. So tell me which one you are writing. I will tell it, whether it is correct or not. Now itself you tell me. Siddhi, please wait.
Allergies.
Allergies, okay. Spellings, that should be correct, okay? Okay. So
Okay.
Siddhi, read the difference between these two types of diseases. Points only. Which is the first point?
these are caused by germs.
Excuse me, ma'am. Allergies
When
are
we
a
are
disease that spread.
when we are saying about points, no need to say it in full sentence. Caused by germs. That is the first point. And in the second part, not caused by germs. Diseases that do not spread. Not caused by germs.
Not caused by germs.
Yeah. So in the same way, you can say it points from the second
Diseases that spread. These diseases spread from one person
spread from one person to
to
another.
another.
And the second one,
Diseases that do not
do
spread.
not spread. So the points which I had underlined, you have to see it as a point. Okay.
These diseases do not
Siddhi,
spread.
mute your audio.
Excuse me, ma'am.
So enough.
I have a doubt.
Can I write? Ma'am,
1 minute. Okay. So who is having doubt? Who is having doubt now?
Felix. Felix.
Tell me fast. Two more
Allergies are spreading disease. Allergy.
No, do not spread.
Ma'am.
So listen.
Ma'am.
Risa, mute your audio fast.
Ma'am.
Now we can move to the Felix. Mute your audio. Otherwise, I have to mute everyone. Okay, let me complete two more exercises are there. Let me complete that. Okay. So here you can see the next one. So can you see the points, pictures here? That is the 19th question. How can we keep ourselves safe from diseases that do not spread? Preventing methods. Here we have to write down the preventive methods for diseases that do not spread. From the picture. Fast, ask it fast.
14th question.
You write example COVID-19 and common cold, right?
Yeah.
What is common cold?
Common cold is that silly colds means every time running nose, sneezing, that all will be affected. No, influenza. Another name of influenza. Okay. So next one, Mayuk, please read what you understood from the first picture.
Eat junk foods.
Eat junk food.
Eat healthy foods.
Okay, balanced diet. Can we write? Eat a balanced diet. See? Oh. See, mute your audio. I can hear a lot of voice.
Another dear.
So here, okay, so eat balanced diet. Nowadays, unmute it. Unmute. Second picture, what you can say about it? Second picture.
Go out.
Very
By
good.
way.
Play outdoor games. Play
Outdoor games.
Mute it, Navneet. Dhanvin, unmute it, Dhanvin. Yes.
Yes,
Tell
ma'am.
me what you understood from the third picture.
Do not eat junk foods.
Very good. Avoid eating junk food. Next one. Dhanvin, please mute it. Nasmia, fourth one. Say it fast. Nasmia, unmute it.
Do exercise daily.
Very good. Exercise regularly. Daily or regularly we can write. So these are the things we can do to avoid diseases that do not spread. Next one, it is a puzzle, right? That also we can do it fast. Here, I will ask to Avantika, unmute it.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So first one, across. Drink this type of water. Which type of water?
So,
It is shown there. Something is showing there. Don't know.
No, ma'am.
Okay. So I will ask to Unnimaya first. Yes. Which type
Boiled
of-
water.
Very good. Boiled water. B-O-I-L-E-D. Okay. Next one. Niranjan, please unmute it.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me, which is the eat this type of food? H, it is starting with H. Can you do?
Healthy.
Home.
Home.
Homemade.
Homemade.
Homemade. Next one. Isha, fast, do it. Yes. See, get this person to check the one who is sick.
Doctor.
Okay, D-O-C-T-O-R. So, can you tell the next one also? Isha?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Wear this when going out.
Mask.
Okay, mama. So I hope you can do it, right? So we will be in the next class. I will be taking a class test. You have to learn all the spellings there. You have to learn all the spellings, question answers, everything. Oral test, spelling test, then my MCQ question. That all I am planning to do. So better we can meet in the next class. It is time to wind up my class. Bye. Thank you.